stop spending, stop having loads and loads of products in. You don't need it. I will do that for you, and I will help you narrow it down and get the best product for you. Hello, hi, how are you? Welcome back, or welcome to my YouTube channel. This little world right here is the Man From Self office, one of the first times I'm filming in here, but this channel is Man From Self. If you like hair product reviews, grooming, skincare, fragrance, and videos like this very one, then you are going to love it right here. Please do hit subscribe right now. Hair products are one of my favorite things, to talk about. I know that so many of you guys have come to me over the years to ask what product you should use, how should you use it, the best for your hair. So I thought, do you know what? Let's just do a full series. Every week, I'm gonna go through something different in hair products and help you find the best product for you. So, this first video, I should say, hit those notifications, that bell button, make sure it's on, it means you're not gonna miss out. Every week I'm gonna be doing this. But this first one, I want to give you an overview of hair products. Like next week is pre-stylers. We're going to talk about like thickening, repairing, smoothing, heat protectants. But I think of styling your hair in 3 steps. Pre-styling, that's the first one, the foundation of the hair. Styling, this is when you're going to get in a hair product and really start to put in all that definition, all that movement, or maybe a bit of hold. And then the third step for me is always fixing or finishing. This really is how the hair is finally going to look. Is it fixing with a bit of hairspray so it's not going to move? Is it finishing maybe with a little bit of shine spray? So those really are the 3 steps. Then in hair products, I also think of treatments. So anything that you're going to be using, like a leave-in conditioner, you might be using some oils. These are the treatments that are going to help to really repair the hair or maybe change its state. Also shampoos and conditioners, I think of these as sort of cleansers and they go into the treatment, but really 5. Pre-styling, styling, fixing, finishing, treatments, and shampoos and conditioners. So everything that I talk about here is on manfromself.com. The product section is going mental with loads and loads of products. Now in pre-styling, which I'm going to be talking about next week, you have various different products. These are all going to do something different. You can have something for thickening, like a thickening tonic, one of my favorites here. You can have something which is going to be like a multi-product, but really does a heat protectant, like something like this. I'm just trying out, it's a 10. I know this is really popular in the US. You could be using something like a cream to help smooth the hair. It might also help to give it body, so really to boost it. You might want to be using something for texture. Texture and thickening and volume, to me, are very different, and we're going to talk about that next week. A mousse can also be used in the pre-styling phase to really get that volume up. Again, we're going to go into all of this. Then into your styling, there are loads. You know this, I know this, there are loads of different products. Waxes, pastes, pomades, putties, clays, powders. These products all are supposed to do something different. We live in a world of marketing and lots of companies are saying they're a clay or a pomade or a paste when really they might actually all be the same product. So we're going to go into that. So I'm going to help you to try and think less about what the product says it is and more about maybe looking at the ingredients to see what it's going to do for your hair. Then the fixing, we're going to look at stuff like shine sprays or maybe hairsprays. Should you be using a hairspray? Is a hairspray damaging? How should you be using it? We're going to look at that. Treatments, leave-in treatments like this. And also the type of hold of products. Now I think of hold as loose, so really something that's not doing too much. It might just be adding a little bit of definition or texture. I think of it also as natural, so something with just a little bit of movement. And then I think of something with a strong hold. You can see here, I did blast it with hairspray. That is a strong hold. Also in products, the finish. Finish really means how does it look? And I categorize by matte, which means that it's got no shine. It looks quite dull. Really, there's no gloss on it at all. A natural shine, which is really kind of how healthy hair should look, or a high shine or a gloss. This is when you might be looking at more of those like pomade products or something which is slightly more traditional. Within this, I'm also going to look at ingredients, and the key things that I want to talk to you about are water-based products versus oil-based products. How do you know if something's water-based? How do you know if something's oil-based? And what's it going to do for your hair? The main difference for me is that I think An oil-based product is not going to dry hard. You're going to have all that malleability to it, so you can move it throughout the day. It's great for those more traditional looks. They tend to have a higher shine because the oil or the wax tends to have that slight gloss to it, versus a water-based product, which is easy in, easy out. And they can, with technology now, really mimic what an oil-based product does. And there will be an official playlist for this, which I will link up there in the info card. So if you're later coming into this, all the videos that are already live will be in there. Also, I'll try and get some lives done, so maybe you guys can ask me questions there and then. I've got loads of products behind the camera here, and I can help you find them as we go. Comments, questions down there, and I'll try and answer them as much as possible. But thank you again for watching. If you're still new to this, I've asked you to subscribe. Please do subscribe right now, tongue twister. The button is just there. There's also more video suggestions down there. A link to the product pages on manfromself.com there. Go, go, go. And the info cards with videos up there. But until my next new video, bye-bye.